Welcome back. In this tutorial, we'll reassemble split data packets back into a complete file using the Recombiner Tool, a Python-based interface designed for data recovery and verification. Before we begin, make sure you've downloaded the latest project files from the shared GitHub repository. A link to the repository is included in the video description if needed. Inside the download, you'll find a folder labeled Python scripts. That's where all of the Python tools we'll be working with are stored. Open that folder and locate the file named Recombine packets tool.py. This is the tool we'll be using today to rebuild the data packets into a single, usable file. Datum-Trove transmissions rarely arrive as complete files. Instead, data is fragmented into multiple encrypted packets during transfer, each fragment tagged with a checksum and positional marker. The manifest.json acts as a recovery map, recording the precise order and integrity data for every piece. The Recombiner uses that manifest to locate each packet, verify its authenticity, and rebuild the original file so it can be analyzed or processed safely within the network. To begin, open Recombine packets tool.py. You can double-click it on. A window will appear labeled Recombiner. If the window doesn't open, try launching it from the command prompt instead. Click in the folder's address bar, type cmd, and press enter. That opens a command prompt in the right location. Then type Recombine packets tool.py and press enter again. Now, let's look at the layout. The first field is your packet folder, where the fragmented files and their manifest are stored. The next field is the output file, where the restored data will be written. You'll also see checkboxes for auto append extension from manifest and force assemble, which skips missing or corrupt packets. Click Browse to locate your packet folder. Then choose a destination and name for your rebuilt file. In this example, we'll save it to a folder called Assembled Files and name it Data Packet Info 1. It's recommended to leave auto append extension checked. This allows the program to automatically restore the correct file type, such as zip, PNG, WAV, text, or PDF based on the manifest data. In default mode, the Recombiner verifies every packet's integrity before writing anything. So, go ahead and hit the Assemble button now. If all packets are present and uncorrupted, the program will complete and a confirmation message will appear. The file is now fully restored, identical in size and checksum to the original. If you're missing one or more packets or a checksum fails verification, you can enable Force Assemble. In this mode, the tool still rebuilds the file, but missing sections are filled with placeholder data, and the final result is marked as partial in the log. This can help recover partial content for analysis, even when some fragments are lost. Once the process is complete, the log will display the final SHA-256 hash, the total bytes written, and whether the assembly was exact or partial. In this example, the output is a .zip file. To access its contents, right-click the file and choose Extract All, either into the same folder or into a new one of your choice. Once extracted, you'll see all of the recovered files inside. You've just restored your data using the Recombiner program. Another step towards mastering the tools needed to discover Datum-Trove's full hidden agenda. If you have any issues, please refer to video 1, where I show you how to set up Python for this application. In the next tutorial, we'll explore how to extract embedded data from the files we've just recombined.